Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I do know what's in here. I just have never handled this variant of it, but this is a variant of a knife that I have reviewed in the past. This is actually an updated version of it, so I'm excited to handle it for the first time and share it with you guys. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, so this was sent by Arcane Design. A lot of you guys are familiar with them, right? I think the mark that was made was because of the unique design elements, right? I mean, a lot of they're titanium frame locks, but sorry, I'm making some really odd cuts off camera, and there we go. The aesthetic of his designs are unique, and there was a lot of attention on them in the knife community since the first model came out. And yeah, so I think a lot of you guys will be familiar. So there's the packaging there. This is not available yet. I'm going to direct you guys to the Instagram for Arcane Design, and of course his website, which I'll link down below. So this is a Necronaut, but it's been altered a bit. Did you knock these down? Yeah, it feels like it. So this new one here, of course, we have a flipper that is it my imagination, or has the flipper been knocked down? So he didn't really tell me what was changed. He said, I just want to send you an updated model. I'm also noticing we have thumb studs now. That's cool. Yeah, that works. Less angular. More knocked down for sure. Oh, this area in here, yes. Yeah, a little bit there. Yeah, I'd say that's definitely knocked down from previous versions. Is the flipper tab less? Is it less there? I wish I had the original here to compare to. I'm just going off memory here. Is it my imagination, or is it actually knocked down a bit more? The sharpest edge that I'm feeling here is on the pocket clip. I love the Necronaut. It's super unique. We don't have anything else in the knife. I know, like, people are going to be like, we have 10 toes. This is a unique look, right? I mean, this is definitely something that you don't see a lot of. Like, the overall presentation is definitely not something you see a lot of in knife world. Re-out made, if I'm not mistaken. I believe that's the case. Titanium frame lock. We've got these cool aluminum overlays that give it that red and black contrast. Is the side for the adjustment heads, it's been switched? Maybe. Yeah, this feels a little bit less. I mean, one of my biggest critiques when I did the review was, you know, I said super unique, very striking aesthetic. That's going to be the draw to it. It's just a little bit harsh and angular in some places, and it absolutely does feel like a lot of those areas have been knocked down. We still have this aggressive tanto. I think it was smart to keep that, you know, that unique characteristic involved with this knife. Absolutely. Yeah, I think I'm gonna feel dumb if I'm wrong. I feel like the flipper tab has definitely been reduced in the area of obtrusiveness, right? Thumb studs are pretty good. Angle of them might be, if you get your finger in the right place, you're okay. I keep wanting to come at it from the bottom. Get your finger on that little edge right there. It is nicely knocked down right there. So if you get your finger right there, you're good. And then you can obviously do, oh, the reverse flick is actually plenty easy. Yeah, if you get your finger in exactly the right place. Okay, well, cool. Now, when are these coming out? These updated versions? I don't know. I have absolutely no idea. One thing I will say, because we now have this thumb stud here, you can see that it definitely is in the cutting path. So that's one of those things where some people are going to like that. Some people are going to like that you can use the thumb stud or that it's there. And other people are not going to like its placement because it's in the cutting path. I'm not going to say it's as bad as the Concept Convict that I reviewed where it had that huge bar, right? It's just something that I'm noticing. This is not a review. It's just an unboxing and first impressions, right? But if you want, you know, if you're interested in this, maybe if you watched the first review or heard from some other people, some other reviewers that it was a bit angular in the hand, maybe now it's interesting. Best way to go about being ready is to follow Arcane Design on Instagram. And I don't see, okay. Follow them on Instagram and check out his website, which, like I said, I will link right down below. And I'm going to guess that on his website it shows his Instagram information. That's going to be your best bet. I'm also going to guess that this is still... What's that? I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to guess this is still M390. Does it say somewhere? Does it say underneath? Maybe back here? It's nice and smooth. Beautifully smooth. Yeah. Well, I'm going to guess it's still M390. It's definitely titanium down here, right? So, yeah. Follow him on Instagram. This is cool. Thank you very much for sending this in. I'll do a video on it. Give you guys my full comprehensive thoughts here in a few weeks. Like I said, this is not going to be, this what you're watching right now is definitely not a review. It's just first impressions. First time I've handled the updated variant, so that's really all I can say about it. But definitely cool. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got at least some of the information that you wanted here for the time being. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.